Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick video. Today I will show you how to electrochemically grow some tin crystals. To begin, a tin 2 chloride solution must be made. This can either be done by directly dissolving tin 2 chloride in water, or it can be done by dissolving elemental tin in hydrochloric acid. There was a bit of residual finely divided tin mixed with the carbon from a previous project where we isolated tin from tin 4 oxide, so this was dissolved in hydrochloric acid to produce a tin 2 chloride solution. A second solution was made by directly dissolving tin 2 chloride in water acidified with hydrochloric acid. It is necessary to acidify the water to prevent hydrolysis of the tin 2 chloride. Both solutions were filtered to remove insoluble material, and then they were placed in crystallization dishes. The end was cut off of a 6-volt 0.5 amp DC power supply, and the ends were stripped to expose the bare wires. Once placed in solution, tin metal immediately began electroplating out. When a DC current is passed through the tin solution, the positive tin ions are attracted to the negative cathode where they are reduced to tin metal, and tin 2 is oxidized to tin 4 at the anode. After a few moments in each solution, a small ball of electroplated tin crystals had formed. This can be continued until the solution is depleted and no more tin is formed. Although I only got a small bead of tin crystals to grow, other people have managed to produce some very large, nice crystals of tin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.